In this video, we will demo the editorial calendar and project tracker that we have built out for a marketing use case, which allows the team to submit project requests, have those project requests be triaged and approved and assigned to various members of the team, and then have those project requests show up on an editorial calendar that can be visible to the whole entire organization. So this interface is built upon an Airtable database that we have structured for this use case, where we are tracking projects, tasks, people, and so on and so forth, to be able to provide the full details of each of these requests in here. So as you can see here, our first page is the dashboard, where we'll see all of our projects according to the various statuses that they fall into. We have the ability here to filter any of these numbers or this list view down here according to fields in our database, such as the live date. We can choose a live date after a certain date, for example. We can choose to only see projects with desired channels, certain requesters, certain creators, so on and so forth. All of the fields that are available in our database can be filtered in this view, along with pretty much any of the other views that we'll show you in a second. From here, you can see all of our projects. Like I said, we can open up these projects and see all the details regarding these projects, such as the live date, how complete is this project, what kind of background do we need to know about the project, what are the channels, so on and so forth, to be able to complete the request. As a creator or a project manager, we can actually add a request from this view as well. So if we click this button, it's going to take us to a project request form where we'll be able to fill out the details. This request form is actually very dynamic, meaning there are fields that are shown and hidden based on the type of project that you are selecting. But once that project gets submitted through the form, it enters our dashboard, where we can then see the project show up in the requested tab. This is usually where the project manager will take the project, start assigning the different roles, for example, the requester, the creator, project manager, and then they also have the ability to open up any of these projects and change any of the details in here as well, so that we are able to update live each of the details of each of our projects. Our project tracker can show us projects in their requested status, in progress, published projects, and then all of our projects, as well as seeing each of these tabs in either a calendar view or a timeline view. We have the ability to filter and sort, as well as search through any of these projects in this project tracker. And then once these projects become published or ready for the editorial calendar, they will show up in our editorial calendar view, where we'll be able to see details such as when are each of these projects according to their live date, and what are the details around them. Okay, so that is the editorial project calendar, or editorial calendar project tracker use case that we built out for this client, that shows how we are able to submit projects, schedule out projects, and have those projects visible to anyone within the organization. These views here are available for any user that is a read-only or commenter-only access on this interface. So we don't even need to have paid users to have access to this calendar. So that's one of the more powerful features of Airtable. It's extremely easy to collaborate and bring in and scale your team as needed with your solution. So I hope this has provided a little bit of more detail of the kind of solutions we can provide, and what are the features and use cases of Airtable. All right, thank you, and let me know if you have any questions.